Hello everyone, we are in Mazda 323 from 2001 year. We are going to change a bulb T10 in the dashboard. The things we need to do that is a bulb, which one is inside of here, and we need a cross screwdriver. So first of all, you see that on this part that is no light. We are going to turn on light on my phone to see all details. So we have these two screwdrivers inside, and we are going to pull that down. This small screwdriver is the best for this, because you don't have a lot of space to put a large screwdriver. When we remove the first one, we will keep it on the side, so the next one is also going down. After we done that, we need to pull down a steering wheel. So we will, with this, pull it down so it's go down, and then we are going to remove this plastic. Just pull it here and here and pull out. This part is done. Now we have some more screwdrivers. So we see here 1, 2 screwdriver, and here is a third one. So you need to remove that also. All screwdrivers are the same, so we don't need to worry about which one is going on which place. So that's it. We will now turn ignition off, and we are going to pull out dashboard. So when we are at this place, we need to remove these wirings. So to pull it out, just press here and pull out. I pull out this one, so we have 2 of them on the left side. So I will go to pull out that, so I need 2 hands to do that. After I pull out a wiring, I will pull everything from this part outside. So this is my dashboard. So we have here all bulbs. So we need to change this one here. So it will be this one big here. We will turn it on the left and pull out. So it's black, it's burnt out. To change it, we need just to pull out from this housing. So I am going to do that. So I took the new one and install it, and now we will place it on regular place. So that's it. We are going to return everything how it was on the first place. So on this stage now we are going to put wiring on the place where it's fit. Don't worry, you can't put wrong wiring on the wrong place, because we have additional housing, so you can't miss out that. The last one. After click it, just pull up here, and everything is on the place. So we will check the lighting. I will turn off my light from the phone, turn on the lighting from the dashboard. Now you see how everything works fine. We have light on my dashboard. To turn ignition on, we have all lights turned on. We will turn off ignition and turn off lights. I will turn on my light on the phone to pull screwdrivers on the place. With the hand is the best to start it until they come to harder. And the last one here, this one is a tricky one because he can fall down. If he fall down, they maybe can go behind dashboard, so you will lose it. So you need to be calm when you're doing this and look what are you doing. Take a screwdriver and finish all of that. I have put my screws on a place with my screwdriver. Now housing, put it on the place where it's fit. So here and here, push everything in place and take the last two screws to put it on the place. This two is also tricky one because they can fall down. You need to watch where you need to put it. You see this hole here, they must fit it inside like this. After they start, you can take your screwdriver to finish it. After I put my last screw, this is done. My job is done with this. So we will do the last test. Turning off my light from the phone. Everything is working. You see all lights. Turn ignition on. And we see that everything is fine and it's working. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks.